Okay, today is July 2nd, 2016, and Bullet is over there in her cage, and she's very excited because I'm holding something very unusual in my hand. A giant plush budgie I ordered. Got this huge budgie from Japan. It's 48 centimeters, so it's really big, and Bullet is curious about this budgie. She's not afraid of anything. She's looking at it. So I'm gonna let her out. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this yet. And the other budgie is afraid of the plush. I'll let her out and see what she does. If she comes over and is nice to it. Look, Bullet. Come here. What do we got here? Look. Big giant budgie. He's the giant budgie. Yes. Come here, Bullet. What is that? Look what I got, Bullet. Look, Bullet. What is that? Come here. Bullet. Bullet. Come see the big budgie. Come see the big budgie. This is really hard to hold and film and get everybody in. Look, Bullet, I'm hugging the budgie. The big budgie. That's right, give it a kiss. I'm kissing it. Mwah. Budgie kiss. Budgie that I love. Big budgie that I love. Yes, Bullet, kiss. Good girl, Bullet. You kissed the budgie. Mwah. She's so brave. She's the brave one. Come here, Bullet. Kiss it. Kiss the giant budgie. She's going down. Bullet. Alright, try this again. Couldn't hold a big plush budgie last time in a big camera, so I'm doing a smaller camera and a smaller plush budgie. She's looking at it. Mwah! It's a budgie, Bullet. It's a budgie I love. I'm hugging it, and now she's getting jealous and freaking out. See? And she's looking at the camera. And I'm kissing the plush budgie. And she's getting mad. Let's let her out, see what she does. Look, Bullet. Come kiss the budgie. Mwah. Yes, Bullet. Come here. Oh, she's so mean. Don't bite it. Don't bite. Good girl, Bullet. She's so brave and not afraid of anything. She's not afraid. I love brave budgies. Come here, budgie. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna kiss it now. She's coming to look because I'm hugging the bit. Uh-oh. I'm gonna pay for it now. Look, here it is. Budgie plush. Yes, kiss, Bullet. Now she wants the camera. Oh, mean! Okay, that does it. Well, she can't play with it anymore because she's... Ah! Help! She's attacking the camera! Ow! She's mean! She could rip it! I'm not gonna let her do that anymore. Bullet! Okay.